How do you fix Atomic Heart is crashing on Steam? First, you want to go to the library, right-click on the game and open up the properties. In the General tab, add -DX11 to the launch options. Then go to Installed Files and verify the integrity of game files. And once this is done, you can close Steam and then open up your NVIDIA app or your AMD software so that you can download and install the latest driver updates for your GPU. And once you do that, you'll also need to open up a new browser tab, search for Redist, click on the first Microsoft link, and then from here, make sure to download and install the redistributables, the 86 and the 64, which will require a computer restart when you're done. And then after the restart, just run Steam as admin, right-click and run as admin, and then just launch the game from your Steam library. And that should fix the crash problem. Thanks for watching and subscribe.